So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you my withdrawal proof from Kawaii app. So basically today I will withdraw some RMB from my Kawaii app account. So dive into this app. So sorry, not this app guys. So the app is here. You guys can see this is the app. This is the Chinese Kawaii app. So if you need this app, then watch this full video to download the app. So let's dive into this app. So I am opening this app. So this is the app. So guys, here is the interface. You can see many kind of videos, short videos. Those are short videos like TikTok. So I am going to my main balance. Today I will show you only my withdrawal video, because in my previous video I have made and I have explained how to work on this app. So if you are new watching this video, then please click the I button and watch my previous video to know more about this application. And if you face any problem about this application, please let me know in the comment section. So you can see here it is the my balance. Here it is my balance. So just a second. So here it I have to change the color to indicate. So here it is my balance. You guys can see I have 5.71 RMB. So today I will withdraw only 3 RMB. So I am clicking on here. So here is the click button. You guys can see. Oh wait guys, I have to again change the color. So guys, here is the click button. So I have to click here. So I'm clicking here. So this is my balance, and there's many options to withdraw money. So I have only 5.71, so I cannot withdraw 10 RMB, but I can withdraw 3 RMB. So I will today I will show you my 3 RMB withdrawal video. So now I am pressing the confirm button. Then it says again confirm. So I'm clicking here. Wait guys, so you have to wait for some moments. It's saying you have to share this app link to any group. So I'm sharing to app link to my group. So it's done. Now I can go back to my app. So so I'm here on my app. Wait guys, please. Oops. Guys, please wait, I made a mistake. So here it is guys. Now you can see I can access the withdrawal option now. So I have to press the withdraw button. So I'm pressing the withdraw button. Then it will send a verification code to my phone. So I have to click the get a code button to get a verification code. So I have to just wait. The code will arrive soon. So here is the code. I am typing the code. So now I have to press the next button. So guys, here you can see it says you have successfully withdrawn. So now I am going to my Wechat account to check that this app already. I have said that it is legit app, but I am now I am showing you guys that this app is 100% real. And you can see guys, this is the payment proof. You can see now in my clock it's 12 am. So you can see this is my payment, and I will also show my balance. So this is my balance, you guys can see. So I will click the transaction for more details. So you can see this is my income. So I have gotten 3 RMB. So you guys can see now that this is an 100% real earning app. So if you want to work on this app, then please watch my previous videos, and if you need any help for this app, then please let me know in the comment section. So guys, this is for all. So this is all for today, guys, and I'm sorry guys, because I cannot post regularly for my some personal problems. So guys, please consider my these problems. I will try to make as soon as possible, and I will try to post every week. So guys, please support me, because I need your support, guys. So please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So guys, no more today. Stay home, stay safe, and work hard to earn. So guys, tata.